How to change your gender to female on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to female on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click profile information and go down until you find this one, gender, and click this pin here. And if you want to change it to female, just click on female and click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.